What is up, guys? Today we will be talking about how you guys can set up Shopify store. Process is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. Now here I will simply search for Shopify. Now searching Shopify will take me obviously to Shopify's website. So I'll just go to this Shopify.com. And the Shopify.com, you have to log into your account. So I'm just gonna click on this login and it will automatically log into my account because I was already logged in. Once you're logged in, at first they will show you all of your available stores which you have. Currently, I'm going to tell you how you guys can create a new store and set up. So I'm just going to click on this create store. Now, after clicking on that, they will ask you these details, these questions. You just have to answer these questions carefully. As you can see, so if you're just starting, click on this. I'm just starting and click on next. And then select whatever the type of store you want to open on Shopify. Suppose you want to open an online store, so just click on this an online store. And then you can select whichever type of products you want to sell. Suppose you want to sell digital products, select digital products and then click next. Then select your country, click on next, and there you go. It will create a Shopify store for you. Now, this doesn't mean your whole Shopify store is ready to use. You may have to do a lot of things in this as well. First things first, once your Shopify store is ready to use, you need to select a theme. So in order to select a theme, you have to click on this your online store, go to themes, and then you just have to select a theme. You will be able to see your themes right here. Select a theme, customize it, and make a cool website. Once you have a cool website, you just have to add your products by going to this product section, add new products. You will be able to add the products or import the products easily if you even if you are doing the drop shipping. However, these are the things that are added up. You have to add payment methods as well. In order to do that, you have to click on this gear icon. It will open up settings and there you go. Click on payments and there you will be able to add new payments by clicking on this add manual payment methods. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to set up your Shopify store. Hope you guys find this very helpful.